Our vision, our aspiration is creating the legal department of the future. And that's where we want to be at the forefront. The Adecco Group is the world-leading talent solutions and advisory company. It's operating in 60+ countries. For our legal and compliance department, we are supporting the business around the world. We are operating in a low-margin business, so that means cost is of course very important to us. Speed is of essence.
We are dealing with a high volume of contracts, also a large number of litigations. We have these extra regulatory requirements which are adding up, and we have little automation and lots of manual work.
When you look into the lawyers' work, our analysis showed that a lot of their work is spent on low-value tasks. And that was really the triggering point as well, to figure out what can we do, how can we free up our lawyers so that they can focus on real high-value work, but also interesting work.
Through the surveys that we're doing on a regular basis, people respond that on average they're saving between 10 minutes and even 8 hours a week. So it accelerates the work, and it also gives the colleagues more time to do other things.
We already see positive effects. So we are right now probably at 5 to 10% less reliant on outside counsel. We also expect that these numbers go up. And the more we use Harvey, the more we use particularly legal expertise, but also can scale it. And that will also have an impact on how much we are reliant on outside counsel.
We don't have lawyers in all of the countries. That's why we had to go external for specialty advice, but now we can have a quick and first view utilizing Harvey. We see that the number of prompts are going up per person. That's for me a good sign. What I also see that more things are being delegated to Harvey. At the beginning it was doing a bit of drafting, doing a bit of translation, but now more substantial work is getting into it. We have a long waiting list of people who also want to have it, and the addiction rate is quite high. I think those who have it don't want to do without anymore. I think you do more.
I think the addiction rate.
I think you do more than 200 prompts a month.
It's a different world. I cannot imagine going back. It's a new way of working, and it's not just here is the tool and you ask a question, it comes back. It's about creating that relationship with Harvey in order to get the best out of it. It comes then back to what really makes a human, and that is more the empathy, the creativity, the connections, and the agility. So here, it's not to be fearful about the future. It's about going back to what makes us human.